Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best stud finders that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Zircon StudSensor A150 Wall Scanner and Center/Edge Locating Stud Finder. The Zircon A150 consistently did well in most of my tests. This consistent performance is the main reason I liked it. I also liked its bright red laser-like arrow that activates when you find the center of a stud. This, along with a display that shows you how close you are to a stud, with indications which direction to move and an audible alert, make the Zircon very easy to use. Physically, the A150 is easier to hold in your hand than some of the other models I tested, with a fairly narrow grip. Its single button is placed right under your thumb if you're right-handed, and under your index finger if you're a lefty. To aid in smooth sliding across walls, the back is equipped with 2 soft felt pads. When used on drywall, the A150 consistently found the stud. This is a pretty basic requirement, but some of the other models I tested struggled to clear even this simplest of bars. On more challenging surfaces, the A150 did as good or better than the other finders I tested, though it wasn't able to consistently handle deep scanning on some of thicker materials. This was the case with all the testers, and is admittedly asking more than what they were designed for. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Hanson 03040 Magnetic Stud Finder. The Hanson is the only stud finder they'll ever need. It's compact, works great for most walls, and is very inexpensive. There's even a built-in level, and the bottom has a holder for a nail. The magnets are very strong, which not only aids in detecting nails/hangers behind walls, but also lets the Hanson stay in place on the wall by itself once you've found a stud. Like all magnet-based stud sensors, it does benefit from a bit of educated guessing before you try to find a stud. After all, it's looking for metal, a nail, or a hanger, not the wood stud itself. As such, if you're sliding it horizontally looking for a stud, you could swipe right past a stud if you're above or below its nails. Physically, it's small enough to hold in the palm of your hand. The rubberized exterior could allow it to survive a fall that would shatter any of the electronic finders I tested. There's no need to worry about batteries either, as it doesn't use any. It will always be ready to work. At number 3, we have the CRAFTSMAN Stud Finder. Its design is a bit on the larger side, but it was still flat enough to fit in my back pocket. Most notable are its multiple LED arrows, which offer a simple and accurate way to find a stud. The push-button center marker was also simple to use. It looks more rugged than it feels. However, none of the electronic stud finders I tested were particularly rugged. The CRAFTSMAN was one of the few stud finders I tested that felt like it might survive a head-height fall onto concrete. Like most of the electronic models I tested, the CRAFTSMAN didn't handle wood-paneled walls well, but it did narrow down the area where the stud might be. The CRAFTSMAN is also the only electronic stud finder I tested that claimed to sense to a depth of 3 inches. At number 2, we have the Tavool TH250 Stud Finder. The Tavool TH250, one of Amazon's top sellers at the time that this guide was written, a bit suspect from a company that's not exactly well known. However, after using it, my suspicions were put to bed. Its performance was excellent, locating studs quickly, accurately, and repeatedly. Our best overall pick, the Zircon A150, is available for around the same price as the TH250 and proved more reliable. That said, the TH250 did a great job overall. His wall detector features large LCD display, ergonomic design, and multi-sense technology for accurate detection of both metal and wooden studs. It will also detect live wiring up to 2 inches into walls. And finally, at number 1, we have the Stanley FMHT 77 407 FatMax stud sensor. With its iconic, rugged, yellow and black aesthetic, the Stanley FMHT77407 was the most professional-looking of the stud finders I tested for this guide. That it comes bearing Stanley's FatMax branding provides the FMHT77407 with the street cred that professional and amateur putterers drool over. Unfortunately, looks and branding can be deceiving. While the FMHT77407 might look tough, it's constructed using inexpensive plastic, felt it had the same chance of surviving a tumble to a concrete floor as the other stud finders I tested. Additionally, while its performance was acceptable, it wasn't quite as accurate as some of the other models I tested. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.